Hi, I'm Nick Fundytus from Royal LePage Performance Realty. And my buyer specialist and I are here to tell you about our new condo. Where are we today?
We are on Daly Avenue at the very west end of Sandy Hill. Today we're presenting our new Arthaus Condo.
Sounds good, let's go check it out. So you're going to love this place. It is like a little sanctuary in the sky. The Arthaus buildings were built in 2018 by Deb McGill. So they're built in 2018. They're located with Le Germain Hotel just beside us and the Ottawa Art Gallery just on the other side of us. There's a really nice cafe about 25 meters up the street and around the corner. And then we're way up on the 19th floor. This building was developed to kind of merge into the neighborhood. And so we've got the Rideau Canal just to the west, we've got Sandy Hill just to the east, and then you've got the Byward Market downtown. So anyways, let's go upstairs and take a little look. Here are 3 quick reasons why you'll want to make a move here.
The first is the location. The Rideau Centre and Shaw Conference Centre are just a block away, and so is the prettiest part of the Rideau Canal. To the east, you have the leafy streets of Sandy Hill and the patios of Laurier Avenue. And just north is the nightlife and markets of the Byward Market. Rideau LRT station is just a few steps away. It will take you all over the city.
The second is the building. Arthaus is a beautiful project meant to blend right into the neighborhood. It actually shares the building with Le Germain Hotel and the Ottawa Art Gallery. The building itself has a rooftop terrace, a gorgeous party room, virtual concierge, gym and yoga facilities, and a barbecue terrace. Finally, there's the unit itself. It's bright, high ceilings, and it's got a gorgeous view. It has excellent finishes, and it is, can you hear anything? It is quiet, which I love. No matter what, you're gonna feel like this is your sanctuary in the sky.
To recap, this apartment has an awesome location, a beautiful modern building, and a gorgeous, quiet layout with a beautiful view. We know that you're going to love it too.
If you like this property and would like to learn more, or would like to learn about some of the other properties we have listed, just follow us on social or go to nickfundytus.ca.
Our new condo at Arthaus, sorry.
You were so close. You're so close. In a condo and I'm going to kill you. And my buyer specialist and I, Kareem Ali, I'm not Kareem Ali, you're Nick Kareem. And my buyer specialist, Kareem Ali, and I.
That's not good.
Hi, I'm Nick Fundytus from Royal LePage Performance Realty. And Kareem Ali, oh, what is happening with this door? Look at that. Or any of other properties that we have listed, just